In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Claude 3.7 Sonnet API key. We'll keep this simple and clear, and by the end, you'll have a secure API key ready to use. We're going to use OpenRouter, a platform that gives you access to a variety of AI models through a single interface. First, open your browser and head to openrouter.ai. If you're not already signed in, the site may prompt you to log in or create an account. That's normal. Just follow the on-screen steps so you can access model pages and manage keys. Once you're on the home page, give the page a moment to load so the search tools are available. Next, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Click into it and type Anthropic Claude Sonnet Latest, or simply Claude Sonnet. You're looking for the Claude 3.7 Sonnet model listing from Anthropic. As the results appear, look for the entry that clearly indicates it's the Anthropic Claude Sonnet Latest model. This ensures you're selecting the most up-to-date Sonnet release rather than an older variant. Click that result to open the model's page. You should now see details about the model, including its provider and capabilities. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct page. This helps avoid generating a key for the wrong model. When you're ready, look for the API section or tab on this page. It's typically labeled API and is where you'll find the controls related to key creation and usage instructions. Go ahead and click the API option. This will take you to a view that focuses on how to connect programmatically. Here, you should see a button labeled Create API Key. Click that button to generate a new key. The site will produce a unique token for you. Think of it like a password for your applications. Copy it immediately and store it somewhere secure, such as a password manager or an encrypted notes app. Most platforms will only show the full key once for security reasons, so make sure you've saved it before navigating away. Treat this key as confidential. Don't share it publicly, don't commit it to repositories, and avoid pasting it into screenshots. If your project supports environment variables, that's a great way to keep it out of your code base. And if the platform offers options to label or restrict the key, use clear names and the narrowest permissions that fit your needs. That's it. You visited OpenRouter. Searched for Anthropic's Claude Sonnet Latest, opened the API section, and created your key. You're now ready to integrate Claude 3.7 Sonnet into your app securely.